Hello everyone. Let us find the following. A sphere, a cylinder, and a cone have the same radius and same height. Find the ratio of their volumes. Okay? So, here what is given? We have one sphere, one cylinder, and one cone. Three of them have the same radius. Let us suppose it as r, and three of them have the same height. Let us take it as h. Okay, right? Now, when we look at the formulas for the volumes of a sphere, a cylinder, and cone, we know them. We have already learned them. So, volume of a sphere is nothing but 4 by 3 pi r cube, where r is the radius of the sphere. Volume of the cylinder is nothing but pi r square h, where h is the height of the cylinder. Okay, and volume of the cone is nothing but 1 by 3 pi r square h, where r is the radius of the cone and h is the height of the cone. Here what is given? The height of the cylinder as well as the height of the cone, both are same. Okay, heights are same. Okay, now uh, volume of a cylinder, the formula for the volume of the cylinder is pi r square h, where r is the radius of the cylinder. And h, what can we substitute in the place of h? H is equal to r. Okay, the height of the cylinder, it is nothing but the diameter of the sphere. Okay, so h is equal to r, it becomes. So here volume of the volume of the cylinder, how does it become now? Volume of the cylinder is nothing but pi r square into 2r. In the place of h, we are substituting 2r. So finally it becomes 2 pi r cube. Okay, similarly the volume of the cone is equal to 1 by 3 pi r square h. Okay, so in the place of h, we are able to substitute h is equal to 2r, because height of the cylinder as well as the height of the cone, both are same. Okay, so volume of the cone becomes 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so now we are comparing the volumes. In order to get the ratio, we just compare the volumes. Volume of the sphere is to volume of cylinder is to volume of cone. We are just derived, no? We are substituting them. So volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Volume of the cylinder is 2 pi r cube. And volume of the cone is 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay, so commonly we are able to have pi r cube in common, so we are removing that. So simplification, it is nothing but simplification. On simplifying, how does the ratio become? The ratio is nothing but 4 by 3 is to 2 is to 2 by 3. Okay, it is in the form of a fraction. In order to get more clarity, what do we need? We need to multiply three terms with 3. Okay, then we will get a fraction, because in both the denominators 3 is there. So if we are able to multiply with 3, it will be get cancelled. It will be in the form of simplified form. So when we multiply with 3, how does it become? 4 by 3 into 3 means 4. Okay, 2 into 3 means 6. 2 by 3 into 3 means 2. Okay, so further simplification, what do we get? 4 is to 6 is to 2, or 2 is to 3 is to 1. So simplification, we have done a simplification here. So finally, what is the ratio of the volumes of a sphere, cylinder, and cone? Is nothing but through 2 is to 3 is to 1. So we should go in that order only. That means volume of the sphere, volume of the cylinder, volume of the cone. Okay, sphere is to cylinder is to cone, here we have taken. But what is the constraint here? The height and radius are same. Okay, so 2 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, if sometimes they may change the order, cylinder is to sphere is to cone. Okay, then we need to change the order of the ratio here. But when we consider the sphere, cylinder, cone in that order, what is the ratio among them? Among what is the ratio of their volumes? It is nothing but 2 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, the ratio of the volumes of sphere, a cylinder, and a cone, when they have the same radius and height, is 2 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, to make you confused, sometimes they change the order. Okay, sometimes they may give us cylinder, sphere, cone, then you need to write it as 3 is to 2 is to 1. Okay, the ratio, when what is the order, you need to observe clearly. That observation is very very important. Okay, but here we have taken the order. What is our observation here? We have taken the order as sphere, cylinder and cone. Then the volumes will be in the ratio of 2 is to 3 is to 1. Okay, I hope you have understood, right? Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe.